These are the signs you are in a dangerous relationship with a narcissist, why you need to get out if you are, and how to get out quickly. Do you feel like you're constantly walking on eggshells in your relationship? Like no matter what you do, it's never quite right? Does every argument end with you apologizing, even when you're not sure what you did wrong? Do you feel like you used to know who you were, but somewhere along the way, you lost yourself? If any of that sounds familiar, you might be in a dangerous relationship with a narcissist. And this video might be one of the most important ones you watch this year. Today we're breaking down narcissistic behavior, their patterns, tactics, and the very real damage they cause. We're going to cover 4 things. Number 1, the techniques narcissists use to manipulate and control the people closest to them. Number 2, the early red flags so you can spot one before they get their hooks in. Number 3, how to protect yourself if you're already dealing with one. And number 4, most critically, how to get out safely if you're in a relationship with one right now. If any of this sounds familiar, we have all the answers to help you change your life. Let's get into it. These are the techniques narcissists use to trap you. Narcissists are often the most charming person in the room. That's intentional. They target you. It starts with love bombing, overwhelming you with attention and affection early on to make you dependent on them before you've seen who they really are. Once they have you, things shift. Then they switch to gaslighting to make you question your own reality. They say things to you like, "That never happened. You're too sensitive," until you stop trusting yourself and start trusting them instead. Then they use intermittent reinforcement, which keeps you hooked by unpredictably switching between warmth and cruelty, making your brain chase the good moments. They also use triangulation using a third party, a friend, an ex, to keep you insecure and competing for their approval. And finally, they use isolation. They slowly cut you off from friends and family until they become your only emotional support. That's not love. That's control. This is how to spot a narcissist. Watch for a consistent lack of empathy. Their conversations always focus on them, your problems get minimized. Notice if they say that every ex they had is crazy. Ask yourself if that is really the case, or did they make the ex crazy? Pay attention to how they handle criticism. Narcissists react with rage or total withdrawal, even to gentle feedback. And watch for small moments, how they treat waiters, and what they say behind people's backs. Most importantly, trust your gut. If you constantly feel confused, like you're walking on eggshells, or always apologizing without knowing why, that feeling is real. Don't ignore it. This is how to protect yourself from a narcissist. If you can't cut contact immediately, use the gray rock method. Be boring. Short answers, no emotional reactions, nothing to feed on. Narcissists crave your reactions. Starve them of it. This will cause them to try and manipulate you less. Hold firm boundaries without over-explaining. Don't justify, argue, defend, or explain. The more you explain, the more they have to argue against. Say it once, mean it. And in the meantime, rebuild your outside support network. Their power grows in isolation, and you having a close network is your antidote. This is how to get yourself out safely if you are in a relationship with a narcissist. This part matters most. Leaving a narcissist can be dangerous. When they feel they're losing control, some will escalate their bad behavior. Don't announce you're leaving in the heat of an argument. Plan first. Secure important documents. Have somewhere to go. And tell a trusted friend or relative of your plans. Go no contact, if at all possible. Skip the closure conversation. They won't give it to you. If you share kids or business, use written communication only. Keep it brief and factual, and don't take their bait. Expect that they will try to pull you back in with promises or threats. That's panic, not change. Stick to your plan and get support, because healing doesn't happen alone, and there are more options than people realize. If therapy is accessible, find someone who specializes in narcissistic abuse. If not, look for recovery communities on Reddit, Facebook, or dedicated forums. People who have been exactly where you are and made it out. Knowledge is armor, and don't underestimate the people already in your life. Rebuilding even 1 or 2 honest, reciprocal relationships, a friend, a sibling, anyone who knew you before, can be a powerful anchor while you find your footing. You've likely been told you're the problem for a long time. You're not. And you don't have to figure out who you are again, all by yourself. You deserve relationships where you don't have to shrink yourself to survive. If this video helped you, please share it with someone you know. And if you need more information about narcissists, watch the video highlighted on the screen and in the description of this video. It will give you a full description of and more information on narcissists. Take care, stay strong, you are powerful and worthy. Please like, follow, and share. See you in the next one.